Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for the Walmart affiliate program so you can start earning commissions by recommending products to your audience. If you are a content creator on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, the best and fastest way to join is through the Walmart Creator platform. Simply head over to creator.walmart.com and click Apply Now. Once approved, this dashboard lets you instantly generate trackable product links, track your analytics in real time, and even build a customized storefront to showcase your favorite product collections. If you run a dedicated blog or niche website, Walmart manages its traditional affiliate network through Impact Radius. Go to affiliates.walmart.com and click Sign Up. This directs you to the Impact application portal. Fill in your website details, verify your promotional channels, and submit your contract for review. If you already have an active Impact account, you can apply directly from your existing dashboard to speed up the approval process. Both methods give you access to millions of products with commission rates of up to 4%. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.